Are you frustrated with handling data spread across multiple databases? Do you find yourself using numerous database client tools and seeking for a simpler way to manage data using spreadsheets? We understand the challenges faced by developers, admins, testers, business owners, and analysts when it comes to accessing, querying, and editing databases. It often requires complex coding and multiple tools, leaving you feeling out of data. That's where Database Browser comes in, the ultimate Google Workspace add-on solution to simplify data management tasks on your database, right from within Google Sheets. With its intuitive and vibrant GUI, it provides a seamless experience for connecting to databases, browsing tables, and running queries, all within your favorite Google Sheets. Let's take a closer look at the key features that make Database Browser a must-have tool. Manage connections. Easily create, test, and save connections to databases on the internet and in the cloud. Say goodbye to manual configurations and streamline your access to data. Manage queries. Build, execute, and save queries effortlessly. Database Browser empowers you to retrieve data from your databases directly into Google Sheets, eliminating the need for complex coding. Edit data. Edit your database records directly from Google Sheets, saving you time and effort. With Database Browser, you can effortlessly update your data and ensure it stays in sync with your database. Database Browser from Jivrus Technologies is on a mission to make exploring databases a breeze within the comfort of Google Sheets. So why wait? Try Database Browser today and experience the convenience of browsing databases without leaving your Google Sheets.